Justice wins. Do you admit defeat now, Balmond?
Don't get cocky. It's not that you bested me. More that I have yet to control.
What's that?
He sure can run. What do we do? Follow him?
No. I've met him multiple times before. He's sharper than he makes out to be. Rush after him, and you'll likely end up in his trap.
Right. Balmond isn't what matters right now anyway. We need to get to the Temple of the Moon as fast as we can, and meet with His Majesty, Estes.
The commander seems to be in agreement. There's still a certain distance before we reach the Temple of the Moon. Stay.
My power! Too weak!
Energy blast!
Stand fast. This is...
Get off our land!
Meet your end!
Healing prayers for everyone.
I'm gonna hear it from Master again.
I'm still such a novice in the arcane.
Energy blast! Peace will be restored.
Perhaps I'm not... Healing prayers for everyone.
Yield to the lightning! Time to shine! Peace will be restored. I'm here to drive evil away.
Let's fight, friend.
I'm destined to guard the forest.
Hey! How are things with you? I'm here to drive evil away.
I'm destined to guard the forest.
You can't get away. Time to shine.
Keep it up. Perhaps I'm not good.
Wait, I wasn't. Peace will be restored.
Do you believe in miracles?
I'm destined to guard the forest.
Hey! How are things with you?
Off our land.
Stand fast. This is...
Time to shine.
Healing prayers forever.
Heal to the lightning.
Get off our land. I need to be stronger.
I'm sorry. We meant to...
Time to shine. Heal to the lightning.
Stand fast. This is just the beginning.
What happened here?
The Moon Elves' homes. Those damned orcs.
Those who did this can't have gone far. What do you say?
Whoa, what is that? It's getting closer.
Is it some transformed blood demon?
Unless we stop it, and soon, it'll reach other areas in no time. Watch its movements carefully, and give us your command.
Get off our land.
Healing prayer. Meet your time to shine. Victory favors brave heroes like me. Ugh, I'm absolutely drenched in blood. Huh? Tigreal?
Good work, Layla. Rest a while.
Tigreal? When did you get behind me?
What? Enough with the yelling. It's like you've seen a
That doesn't matter at the moment. Just now, I saw Tigreal over there. How come a second later he's...
Tigreal was sorting out this mess with us. Perhaps it was a trick of the eye, Layla?
Fine. Let's go see then. I'll prove that I'm not seeing things.